What is up, party peoples? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Sharath. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you variables in Java. Without further, let's get into the video. Variables is nothing but it's a placeholder for a value and it behaves as the value that it contains. And it's not limited. We can also store decimal numbers, and this one is called boolean value, which holds either true or false, and a symbol and a sentence too. And we should not forget to add data types, which means, for example, if we need to store any numbers, we should use integer, I mean int. Then double for decimal numbers, boolean for either true or false, and char for symbols, and string for sentences. Okay, for you guys, let me show you an example. First, we need to go to the file, new, Java project, and we need to name it. And I'm gonna name it as variables because it's for variables, right? And finish. And you should give don't create. And go to the variable, right click, new, and then class. And I'm gonna name it as main and finish. And don't forget to type public static void main, a set of brackets, into the brackets strings, the S should be capital, and then straight brackets and arcs. Finally, the set of curly bracket. Into that, I'm gonna type int x is equal to 10 and then semicolon. This is out, control space. Into the bracket, I'm gonna type x. Then the output is gonna be 10 because we stored the 10 into the x. And into the bracket, a set of double quotes. We should not type the variable into the quotes, but we can type a sentence. And if I type I'm Sharath, and it's gonna be printed as I'm Sharath. Then see if I type my ages out of the quotes plus x, the output is going to be my age is 10. I'm going to assign another variable with data type double. So double y is equal to 7.77, and if I print that y without quotes, the decimal number stored in that variable is going to be printed. And this data type is called as boolean. It can store either true or false. I'm going to assign z is equal to true, and if I put the double quotes again, and if I type your statement is, and out of the bracket plus z, the output is gonna be your statement is true. And another data type called char, it can store symbol. So I'm assigning char symbol is equal to at, and then if I print the symbol without double quotes, the output is going to be at. And the final data type is called as string. The S should be in capital letter, and it can store a sentence. So I'm going to assign string name is equal to Sharath, and if I put the double quotes again, and if I type my name is, and out of the bracket plus variable, and the output will be like my name is Sharath. And this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you think you learned something, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to my channel and click on the post notification to stay tuned on my videos. See you guys. Peace out.